Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we will discuss compound letters. When two or more letters unite, we call them compound letters. Before taking this lesson, I will suggest you that the pronunciation of each letter that I told you in the previous lesson, pronunciation should be correct. So before taking this lesson, you know the pronunciation with proper Arabic accent of each letter. Okay, let's start this. Alif, you have to follow me. Alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, lam, alif, lam, ha, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba. Look, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. Yes, 5 times. Yes, but this one and this one, both are same. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These 4 lam, alif are just different types, just different way to write lam, alif. So there are 4 different types or 4 different ways to write lam, alif. Lam, alif, this is the first one, lam, alif, and lam, alif. These are 4 different ways. And look at this compound letter. Usually when we connect one letter with the next one, we use half of that letter. Most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time we use half letter. Like ba, we are using first half of ba, and lam, we are using first half of lam. This is complete lam, but we are using only this part. Yes, only this part of lam. So this is the way to connect or unite 2 letters with each other. Okay, next is kaf, kaf. This is a light letter. Qaf is a bold one. Keep in your mind. Remember, which color is for bold letters? Yes, green. Green color is for bold letters. As these letters are not in green color, so they are light letters. Kaf, kaf. Both are same. Again, 2 different shapes, 2 different ways to write. Kaf, 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 ba. If we connect this kaf with ba, then shape would be this. Kaf, ba. If we connect this kaf with ba, then shape is going to be like this. So these 2 are same, just different shapes of kaf. Kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ta, kaf, ta, ba, ta, sa, noon, ya, ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif, ya, alif, ta, alif. Wait, now look. Ba, noon, ta, ya, sa. These 5 letters have same shape. Yes, in compound letters, when we use these letters or when we connect these letters with next one, then shapes of all these 5 letters are same. The difference is just, yes, the difference of dots. Yes, ba, alif, So here ba has one dot at bottom, noon has got one dot on top, ta has got two dots on top, ya has got two dots at bottom, and ta has got three dots on top. Now look, next one, ba sin. Just look the difference. This ba and this ba. Look the difference. This is the more short form of ba. So when we are connecting ba with seen or sheen, then shape would be like this. So this is another shape of ba, or we are using the more short form of ba. Again, ba, ya, noon, ta, sa. Again, these five letters are same. When we are connecting them with seen or sheen, shorter form of all these five letters. Ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, ta, sin, tha, sin, tha, jim, ta, ha. This is fa, jim, and ta, ha. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.